we'll see, we're on the reserve. Poor dog's taking a nap, dog nap. Look at this is a reserve still. State of it. All kind of household rubbish. Look at these little birds come all the way from Canada. Canada even pays Argentinians to look after this, so the birds will come back to Canada. God knows where the money goes. Look at it, this is a reserve. How many times have I said that now? Just been talking to some people in the church, and they told me at night, I'm going to the rubbish dump, and they actually burn all the rubbish at night. Huge black clouds come over this. I hope you can see all this. Say it again, there's another word. Look, CDs, shoes, every kind of household rubbish. This is what's so-called reserve. All in nature's going to come. All those little birds come all the way down to Canada to live in this.